What is up everyone, how you doing? And in this how to video we will fix air calling speaker or front speaker of your mobile not working problem in Samsung Galaxy S20fe. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for more latest videos. So if you are facing air speaker not working in your Samsung device or S20fe, simply first of all you just need to open settings. So first of all just go to settings and follow every single step as I'm showing you in this video.